In the video so far, we learned how to write a formula given the name of the compound, or given the formula of the compound, how to write the name of the compound. So far we've learned that. Now we move into quantitative aspects of it. Given a formula, how do we arrange our chemical reactions quantitatively? How to make use of the numbers that we can find, and how to find the numbers from it. So that will be the focus of the rest of the chapter and the videos that follow. We know that the chemical formula will give us the molar mass of the compound. So for example, if we had, say, H2O as our compound, a very small easy example, right? This is the formula. From this formula we know that there are 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. So if we want to get the molar mass, how do we proceed from here? So we say 2 times 1.008 plus 1 times 16.00, and then from here we gather that the molar mass is 18.02 grams per mole. We know this. So it gives us the molar mass. The chemical formula gives us the molar mass. It also gives us the relative quantities of each element in a compound, and that is also important. So, for example, if we take the formula of Freon 112, C2Cl4F2, this is a refrigerant. Okay, so if we take, this is the formula. So what does this formula tell us? Of course, from here, like we said before, we can find out the molar mass. Okay, but this will also tell us how much of each element is present. So what is the mass percent of each element that is present in this compound? For example, if we want to find out what is the mass percent of chlorine in this compound, right? What is the mass percent of chlorine? So first we figure out what is the molar mass, and if we use our system of finding molar masses, there are 2 carbons and 4 chlorines and 2 fluorines, and if we use the atomic masses of each atom, fluorine is about 18.99 AMU, chlorine is 35.45 AMU, and carbon is 12.01, and if we use all that, we get a value of approximately 203.8 grams per mole. This is the molar mass of the compound. Now what is the percentage, or what is the mass percent of chlorine in this compound? There are 4 chlorine atoms, right? So 4 times 35.45, this is the mass of chlorine in the entire system. 4 times 35.45, and this 35.45 we got from the periodic table, over the mass of 1 mole of compound. 1 mole of compound, we talked about it in the previous slide of this video, which is 203.8 grams per mole. So this is the total mass of chlorine, and this is the total molar mass of the compound multiplied by 100. This will give us approximately 69.58 So 69.58%. So this tells us that mass percent of chlorine in Freon 112 is 69.58%, and this is extremely useful information.